Mic test, mic test, mic test. Can you guys please say something?
No. All good.
Yeah.
No. All good.
Can you guys please say something?
No. All good. Speak in the
Okay.
yeah something.
So we are good to go. So what are we gonna do? Okay, so we are building a online voting system in Django. Um, so we will be working on this project. Yes, Anis. Did you push something?
No, nothing. I did nothing.
Okay, as usual. Okay, so let's start by running the project. So Python manage.py run server, which is the command to start the Django server. And if we go on port 8000, we will see our application. So let me fix this issue. So in home page we want this to be available. So this is it. Okay. Yeah, now it's working. Now if you go to home page, then it will go to login screen if you are not already logged in. And when you log in, then you will be redirected to dashboard page. And if you go to home screen now, it should redirect you back to dashboard. So this is kind of cool. This is authentication since
There
our
is one
user
error
is
there.
sorry.
Uh, uh, Hello.
Yeah.
There is one error. In registration page, if you register using candidate, but when we go to dashboard, it's again shows in voter section, not in register candidate section. Or
Does this text show candidates?
no, it's
It doesn't show candidate. It's a voter.
once you try.
Okay, I will try. Let me log out. Let me register for new user. Candidate number
Uh,
1. Oh, there is so many planes flying today in preparation for 26th Jan. What is it? Independence Day or Republic Day of India?
I
Okay.
don't know. I am from Nepal and I don't
Yeah,
know
I'm
what.
also
Republic
from
Day of
Nepal.
India.
Same pins. Candidate address gmail.com. Password. One
I
S.
choose that
One
voter to
S. Now it is a candidate. Now let me register. So I hit register. So see, it is coming candidate. So
oh no, yeah, it's common candidate, but is in the topic is that it says registered.
no. This you got it wrong. So let me show you something. So when you go to dashboard page, uh, yeah. So when you go to dashboard page, we have the nav bar. This is usual. Now see, this div container is for horizontal stat cards. So this is one card, this is one card, this is another, this is last one. Okay, so this is one row, this from here to here, left to right. Okay, and this below, this is separate row. This is only uh, related to user information. So whatever the user is login, whichever one, so this thing here, it will show the user details. So like user first name, email, and user type. And above, these are independent. These are not related to this one. Okay. So if we see, you have zero registered voters, we have zero registered candidates. Why is it? Because this variable total voters it is zero, total candidates it is zero. Now you might uh, think about it, where does this variable come from? So this is coming from views.py. If you go to dashboard view, so see, you have total voters, right? So election voter dot objects dot count. So this election voter is a model in our database, a table. So if any user which is type voter, and if that user votes in any election, okay, in any election if it's votes, then this count will increase. So let me demonstrate. So let me go to incognito once and log in as super admin, localhost 8000/admin. Now let me put super admin details here, and now see election voter. So if I add one, okay, we need one election. So election is any kind of voting event, right? For example, for class representative, or for prime minister, or for any mantri, or you know. So let's put class what's it, BCA 7, BCA batch 35 CR election. Okay, am I doing anything wrong here, Anis?
Yeah, not BCA batch, it's a BIT batch.
I'm not talking about your batch or your faculty. Okay, description. So this is an election started. So election starts from, maybe it started
Today.
okay, today, and now time, and end date would be, for example, tomorrow or Monday, 22nd. No, okay. So I will save this election. Now for in this election, there will be one vote. I will manually cast one vote, add election voter. Now in election I will select this one, the default that I recently created, and in the voter, let's say, of course I can't select candidate, it should be a voter. So Anish, I think, is a voter. Let me check. I will open the users tab, go to Anish and see user type. See, you can see the user type is voter for Anish, right? And he have voter ID as well, right? So ANIS, Anish. Okay, you see I have implemented some logic, some algorithm to shuffle the words from your first name and numbers and like that kind of thing. So I will cast one vote. Okay, one vote is added in this election. Now if I refresh this page, it should show one, because we have one voter. This is how it works, and this detail is not related to this one. This detail is as a whole whole platform. Okay.
Okay.
And if so, registered candidates. So for example, in this okay, I think I have missed something. So election voters, oh sorry, yeah, this is election voter. Actually votes is here, add vote, voter reason is election candidate. We have to add election candidate. Okay, candidate. So in this election, this candidate stands. I'll save it. Now we have voter and candidates and election. Now it is kind of vote. Actually, see, this is voter and this is votes. the difference between you can compute in your brain, right? Voters and vote is different thing. Voter is Anis election in this election and candidate for this. So you Anis voted for this candidate in this election. Okay. Did you get it? Any confusion here? Hello.
No, there's no confusion.
Okay. So if I save, I will have one vote. We have one voters. We'll have one candidate, and will have one votes, and we will have one election. Let me refresh this page. See. Now if suppose suppose let me close this one. Okay, let me add one more candidate. I think we don't have candidate anymore. We only had one candidate, one voter, and one admin. Okay, let it be. So you now know the flow. So this is working. So your error is resolved now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is candidate. Okay. Now let me see how many views have we got in our stream. We have one view. So okay, no problem.
One view, that is me.
Okay, thank you. I am very grateful for this. Now where do we start? Okay, let me add some style in this card. Okay, so that it looks better. Let me show you something. Go to dashboard HTML. This is stat cards. This is stat card. Now if you see here dashboard CSS, I have added one. So this container is a flex, it is wrapped, and the items is spaced between. Okay, now for the stat card I will add border radius 5 px. Okay, background no what else can we add? Border. Okay, let me see how does it fit. How do I refresh? Oh yeah. Okay, see, so we have one. Now we need to add padding. We have got border. Now we need to put padding. Okay, padding 12 px. How does it go? Yeah, so we have some padding here. Okay, but let me add background color. Let's be it white. Okay, I think we can add some more padding top. Okay, padding bottom. Okay, better. And for h3 3 okay, stat card title, nice. Stat card value, oh nice. See, this AI thing is great. Registered candidates not what stat card title, and for P it is stat card value. Okay, let me check once. I don't think this is great. Color. I think I can do something like this. Let's see. No. Font weight, not bold. I want lighter. Light. Okay, I think 400 would be cool. better. Now I need to spacing text transfer uppercase. What is this? Oh, I'm not good at styling. So in this case we simply Google HTML, CSS, stats, cards, demo status cards in the I think this would be nice. Nice. So see, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. We don't need to show graph, but this is same.
We can show graph. Uh,
Yeah,
show
for
graph
graph.
in, I think in result section we have to show the graph.
Yeah, okay, we can show graphs. It is kind of a lot of work, but yeah, definitely we can do it. For this, let me see the CSS. Huh? Oh, okay. They are asking money. We don't have money. Let's move to another link. No, 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 no. Dashboard card. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, CodePen is free. We can okay, nice, this is nice, right? Okay, so what I will do here is copy all the code. It's what we do all the time. Now for the this part, container row align items stretch. Okay, okay, this is separate. I think I can copy everything here. Ctrl plus C. See, I'm good at copying code. Now I will paste it here, and I will just refresh the page. Let me see what have we got. See, we have got everything. Now let me change the direction. So this is the container align items. Okay, dashboard info, count, wrap. Where is it? Oh, this is, I think, Bootstrap. Is it from Bootstrap? Yeah, they are using Bootstrap. We can use it as well, no issues. So see, you just copy this link and go to here. We have font awesome. We will add link rel alex, and in this link we will replace with Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a CSS library. Now we will refresh the page. Whoa, this is something.
Unexpected.
Yeah, this is new. This is something unexpected. Yeah, right. Now I can fix this because we have this container here. We can simply remove it, or we can rename it display flex. So see, this container is only making it flex. So for flex I can search for Bootstrap flex, and it will give me some code. D flex, yeah, I just need to put this deflex and remove this here, put deflex, so it will automatically make the div flex. See, it is fixed. Now for this part, we can look into it later, but the thing is we have got the cards. We will just rename or add the titles. Okay, let me open this side by side, dashboard.html, and for the first card we have got registered voters. So registered voters, and the value we will have total votes. Where is it, yeah, this here, total votes. See, if you refresh this page, see, we have got something. Now we will do same for the cards below. Registered candidates, for the value, what is this, last month. Okay, I think we don't need that, so I can simply write here hidden. I think it should work. It didn't work. And also we, I think, don't need the information icon. I think I should just remove this. It is making it too long. Okay, total voters, total candidates, for the candidates last month. I think I should, okay, let me search hidden boot stripe hidden class display property. Okay, none. Okay, hidden elements, d none, hidden on all. Nice. So we will just put it here, d none, display none, and the last month value will be gone. Okay. Total votes, total votes, and okay, everything is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so now we have fixed the cards. We will just remove the previous cards that we don't need anymore, and since we don't need anymore, we can also remove the css. For that, which were stat card, title and value, and of course the container that we previously used. Okay, now we have got something of a page. Now to fix the profile page, we can also look for it online. CodePen, okay, CodePen user profile. using Bootstrap. Since we have added Bootstrap, we can use it. Let me see. Okay, nice. This one is right, but this is too small. I think for now we can implement the previous one, which was this.
This one. This one.
Huh? This one, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So
This one.
yeah, for candidates as well, we can show this type of list, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
So
Yes.
for this card, I will copy the CSS. For CSS, what have we got? Okay, this is Tailwind CSS.
Think help the project if you use both Tailwind and Bootstrap.
No, I think we should only use either Tailwind or Bootstrap.
Yeah.
I think let's use Tailwind because this is better than Bootstrap, in my opinion. What is your opinion? It doesn't
Same.
matter.
Same. I prefer Tailwind rather than Bootstrap.
Can you speak up loud? Your voice is a little faint.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Clear now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay.
After I remove the Bootstrap, everything. Okay, yeah, I know what's wrong. Flex. Okay. Now for this to be align items, flex row. Space justify between and with full, this also with full, this also with full, and this also with full. Let me see. For total election, okay. I think there's something wrong with it. Okay, it's fine. But I need to put some padding here. In the start, we already have some padding to 5, and then okay, in dashboard container we should have something. Dashboard container padding left 12px, and for padding right as well we should have 12px. Yeah, now it's better. And this logout is also fixed. And for the profile page, I will just copy this code. Okay, for CSS, where is CSS? Okay, we don't have CSS, we are just using Tailwind. So for user list, okay, this is Vue.js. Okay, no problem, I can manage it. So this is column, this is user. Okay, I'll copy this code, not this code, wait, Yeah, this code. Okay, so in this profile detail page I will put it user card, paste it here. Now let me fix it. V4 user index in search result, we don't need this, we don't need this as well. And for the parent we need this style. I'll just put it here. Okay, 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 this is good, this is good enough. For the source part, source, let me use this one, the static profile picture. For the source part, alt user first name, okay, okay, all good. User dot first name, user dot last name, yeah, this is already at its position. User dot country, instead of country we can add email, right? Let me see. Yeah, instead of country we'll have email, and instead of tag, this is tag, we will have user type, user dot user type, and we will not loop here. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Let me refresh it and we will fix. Cool, this is okay. I can remove this one now. I can remove this code and the CSS code for it. I think I don't have anything here. Yeah, I think we are good. Okay, now for the candidates part, we can use something like this. Let me copy everything from here. Not just yet. Let me format this code, format document. Dashboard.html, I will make a candidates.html. Okay, now we have candidates.html. If we go to candidates, okay, this is not updated. Let me quickly do it. For the candidates, we want to navigate to candidates, and now since we are working with Django, we need to create a view. So we have dashboard. Now we need what, Anis? Candidates. Hello Anis, are you with me?
Yeah, yeah. I was busy with medicine.
Okay, okay, no problem. So we need candidates. Candidates users is equals to user.objects.filter, and user type is equals to user.userType candidate. Okay, AI is great. Now candidates.user, we will just pass it here. Now we have candidates and current user. Okay, now for the HTML part, we have candidates.html, candidates, this one. Now we need to loop it. uh, if we go to candidates page now, okay, I need to update the link. Candidates, yeah, it is updated. Okay, I need to refresh. Oh, what is this? Oh, I got it. What's wrong? The formatting, the auto formatter is shit. Yeah, I think we are good now. We should be good. Total voters. Yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. No, I think we are good. Dashboard. Yeah. It should work. Oh, sorry, we have got a spelling wrong. Candidates.
Nice.
And for the home page,
It was that last month rupee 30 euro. Irritating me.
sorry. Yeah,
That you
this is inside candidates. I need to remove this card. So for that, I think I can just erase it from here, and this also, since we don't need it. See, we have now it empty page, but we need to have home page slash dashboard slash candidates slash registration slash result. Same. No. Okay. Yeah. This was wrong earlier. So you see, this double curly bracket is for replacing variables that is coming from Django. We need this curly bracket in place. Okay, I think we are good now. So if we move to now dashboard page, what's wrong with voters? Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah. And for the last month we can simply do something like hidden, and here as well. Okay, here we don't need it. Not hidden, excuse me. Let me see, check. Okay, last month 30 pounds. Okay, this was for candidates, right? Hidden, it is not updated here. Oh, sorry, I have put it in wrong place. It should be here. Yeah, hidden. Now just refresh the page again. Oi.
No, we can try to remove that span section, no?
Yeah, we can, but I think maybe later we can reuse it. Okay, so dashboard info. Okay, I'll just remove it. Good point. Good.
Simple.
Yeah, simple. Now if we go to candidates page, is it not updated? Yeah, it is not updated. Okay. Slash dashboard slash candidates slash registration and slash result. Yeah, we have empty candidates. Now
Yeah,
let
one
me.
thing,
Yeah.
and dashboard there is registration. So we are registering candidate in registration page, in previous where. So I
Yeah,
think
so
this
we don't
this
need it. We don't need it, right?
we don't need it, and there we can use in registration page we can election.
Election. Okay, this is for super admin only, right? Or no, no, for everyone. Okay.
And this is for everyone where users can vote.
Yeah, right. Okay. Elections. Okay. I'll copy this here and paste it here for the registration part, and I think we are good.
Yeah, and remove that icon to that.
This one.
No, elections icon is R.
What should we put it there? I think we can change it later.
Do it now.
Okay, now for candidates, the page name is candidates, and we will copy everything here from here. Uh, oh, what is this? SCSS. I think I should not copy everything. Yeah, I should not copy this one. I only need to copy div. Okay, I think we have got something. Okay, we have got this search box and the cards. Now we have to loop it over, so I will search for Django template list. Yeah, see, we can loop it like this. So users list. List form. This is all right. This is good. Dashboard container. What do we have here? Okay. Search is good. I think let me just copy this thing. I think this will be better. I'm not sure. I'll change it back if it is okay. Let me change it. Okay. MX Auto. Nope. Gap. Max width. Screen large. So let's put it double XL. Excel. Okay, content center. What I say is remove everything from here, make it flex, make it column, and make it height of screen with full, background white, and padding x12. What is this? This is it. Is it called? Yeah. Okay, so now we have got search, we have got tag. What is tag? We don't need this one right now, so I will remove this from here. And for the no results part, I will do percentage if candidates then candidates is less than 1, then I think maybe else. What is this? And if nice, I'm not sure what is it. Okay, candidates could not pass the remainder candidates from, let me see, Django template if length, yeah, object.length, yeah, block for album in albums, if photo list. I think I can just put like this, if candidates. Don't we have candidates? Candidates, users, candidates. Okay, let me log it. Print candidates user. Yeah, we have candidates. I think, let me see. Okay, we can access length like this. Okay, if candidates and length is less than 1 equals to 0, yeah, we have got list. I think it is okay now. And for the list part, I think this is the user. So percentage for candidate in candidates, and this is the parent, so this is the child, and for okay, candidate user dot first name, candidate dot last name, candidate dot email, and candidate dot user type, uppercase. Let me remove this. And for the source part, let me put a static image. Yeah, I think we are good. Candidate number 1. And for the user list, I will rename it to candidates list. Search candidate by name. Search. Where is the search? Yeah, search candidates by name. Search won't work right now. Now if we pass empty candidates like this empty array, then it will show no result found, no results found, right? I think this is nice. Let me create one more candidate from admin panel. First of all, create user, password, what's the password? I'll just recreate it. Okay, this is already there. Maybe.
You can log out and
Yeah, I have to log out. That is a lot of work. I'm kind of lazy person. Okay. Register. Candidate 2, last name Tutu. Email candidate 2 @gmail. So, are you there? Are you with us?
probably on the chat.
Yes?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think he lost his contact.
Right, yeah? Okay, register. See, we have got candidates. If we go to candidates page, we have got 2 candidates. Nice, right? And in home page, we have got only one because the candidates are not registered in any elections. Now we can do similar thing with election, right? In the election part, I think, yeah, let me do it very quick. For the candidates, we have got this. For elections and election.objects.filter, not filter all, we do not want to filter anything. Current user is user. We just remove this print statement. Elections.html, elections, right? Now the view is ready. Wait, I have to add it in URL. Elections and elections. Now for the HTML part, I will just Ctrl+C, Ctrl paste and rename it to elections. And for the title part, I will rename it to elections. Okay, this is nice. This sidebar is nice. Candidate lists, we have got election list. Search elections by title, by name, doesn't matter. So we will rename candidates with elections. Rename this one, not this one, and this one. Yeah, I think we are good. Now for the looping, election, what do we have for election? We have got name, description, started, end date. Okay, for election We don't need this. Election and name, we don't need last name. For the email part we can add description. For the user tab we can add something like mm, mm, okay, let me see. Django template date. Okay, so to display date we can use something like this. Nice. So I think we can put it end date like this. Election and sorry, what was it? Yeah, election dot end date like this. Okay, I think this is pretty much good for now. Let me refresh this page, go to elections, and the end date is January 22. So I can change the color, because since this is ended we can add something like red color, border gray, sorry, not yeah, red, indigo red. Yeah, I think we're good. This is looking good. For the image part we can update it. Maybe we can change the title or description. Let me log out, go to admin, sign in, and go to admin page. Change the elections. I think we have already got a description. Why is it not showing? We have got description, but description is not showing. Okay, so this is candidate. We need to rename it to election. Yeah, this is an election. Election state. I think this is good. Wait. I will move to my table. Yeah, I think my stream quality is good. The picture quality. Yeah, we have got election, we have got candidates. What else? Now say, what do we need? We need to what, cast vote.
Yeah, we know.
Okay, so I can add one vote button here.
Yeah.
So we have got this one. I think we don't need it. I think we need it, but I will change it to div. And add one button here that will say vote. And for the class name, what do we have got here? Okay, I think I can add this style. So what is it? What is the class name? Capitalize. Okay. Indigo. I don't want indigo, I want green color. I think we are good. Okay, I need to add active bar. What was it? Active tag, then active, else not. Yeah, I think this is cool. Okay, no problem. Hover background green. Hover background green 400. Now see what no, I think I will make it 400 and this 400 and this 500 and text white and padding y to padding x 5 1 4 and justify between what this is looking good, right?
Yeah.
Now if we go click on vote, then
So what I expect.
yeah, if we click on vote, then we need to have a list of candidates who are in this election, right? So we need something like election/id and candidates or vote. So for that we need to create a view. We can go to views poll, copy this here, election, and then election vote. We need id, election.objects.filter id.first. So suppose if we don't have election, then return redirect elections, or we can show a 404 code. Yeah, for now let's keep it this way. We have got current user, render election vote page. We will pass the election object, and we also need candidates is equals to election.candidates.all or election candidate election. I'm not sure about this one. Okay, so for this let us, yeah, as usual, add it to URL. Elections election ID / vote election vote vote. Okay, this is nice. We don't need this then. Election vote, this is right, yeah. Election ID. Okay, so we have got this. In the election HTML, since this is a URL, on clicking the button I should go to that page. So this, instead of button, I should add a tag, put the href elections for election ID. Wow, this is something new. I'm not sure about this one. Elections is not a registered namespace. Okay. Elections vote. Elections vote. What is this? What is this? Why did it break? What happened? Oh, sorry.
Samosa making. Hey, more making samosa happen.
Yeah, this is no nice. Okay, let me wrap it in div. Okay, see, if we hover this here, then you can see at the bottom here the link is election/1/vote. Currently this template does not exist, so I will create a new HTML page. Here, do I say it now? Okay. Election vote.html. Vote. Now for the select candidate to vote. Okay, I will say it later. We don't need this form element, this search bar. Let me check the views. Election vote, election candidates. We can just put it candidates. Yeah, this is all right. No candidates has participated in this election yet. Okay, this is good. This is good. This I don't need it. Not okay. This is nice. And for this one, I think I can copy this code here. Okay. Now candidate not use a type. I will remove this one. And now this here. I think I'll just copy this one here for now, but I think I will add a button later. See, so we need first name and last name. So candidate dot first name. Will it work? Yeah. Candidate dot last name dot yeah. I will wrap it inside div. Okay. Select candidate to vote. I think I can make it center aligned. I'll do it later. So we go to election, select any election, vote, select a candidate and click vote. Then the vote will be casted. So this button is yet to do. In the election, I think I can remove this image. I don't think we need image. I'll just remove it. Yeah, and I can adjust the width as well. Call span 12, MD call span 6, LJ call span 4, calls 12. Instead of 4, I can add 3, 4 and 12. Yeah. Active elections. I think I can add some padding. Padding Y. Yeah, better, far better. Here as well. Nice. In home page as well, I will add it. Better, right? I think I will add one more thing here. For the user card, I will add a title your detail, your information, personal information, capitalize text, Excel, margin top page only, margin top 12. Hello.
Oh, my mic is sorry.
Yeah, what your mic? Okay, dashboard, personal information, candidates. We have elections. I think this page is won't be used much, but main page is this. In elections, we can cast vote. We can select candidate, and then what? Yeah. So now, okay, vote. Views.py. We need to add a vote. Vote view. Added. Okay. Yeah, go on. Oh my god, so many things.
This AI is amazing. No one is.
Yeah, I have built it. So see, we have got election ID, we have got a candidate ID. We face the election like this. We face the candidate like this. If not election, then retard elections. If not candidate, retard election vote. Check if the user has already voted. So vote.objects.filter election is equals to election, voter equals to user request.user. So let me check. In the vote we need voter equals to request.user. Okay, if exist, then we go back to the candidate selection page, check if the user is allowed to vote. Election voter.objects.filter. So in order to vote in an election, voter needs to participate in that election, I mean register. So in election page we can show, instead of vote we will show a register here button. If user clicks on register, then user will be registered and that button will change to vote. So user now can vote in that election. User cannot just come and vote in any election, right? So user first needs to register for an election in order to vote. Okay. So I think I will require one more variable here in the elections part. Is register, is allowed, is vote allowed. Okay, by default it is first. If election voter dot objects dot filter election in elections, voter equals to request dot user. I think I can put it here. Dot sorry, annotate candidates count. Okay, we can add that as well. Voters count, votes count. Okay, what else? Give me some more. Okay, is voted. Okay, this is something new. Is allowed to vote. So count voters, election, voters, yeah, voters, and filter query queue. We need this queue object. From, yeah, see, we need queue and count. You don't need to be a senior software engineer, you just need a good AI to do all the work. Okay, so I think this result part, I think we can do it later. I will just comment it down and put it to do here. We don't want to create a result just yet. Okay, let's recap. In elections we have is allowed to vote. We need one register, election register. Okay, no, election voter register. Yeah, def, yeah, go on. Okay, so we have got election ID. We will fetch the election. We will check if the user is already registered, so we will election voter dot object dot filter election voter is current user exist. If it exists, then nothing to do. What is this? Right, but it is obvious. If this is false, then this will be true. What rubbish. No worries. No, we don't even need it. Sorry, what is it? If not election voter, we don't need this. Yeah, if user is already registered, then we'll do nothing, we'll just redirect. And if the not election vote, we'll redirect to elections, and we will register the user, the voter, election voter dot object dot create voter is user. Okay, nice. For this part we need a decorator to check if the user is a voter. We cannot allow candidate to vote or register for vote, so we will create a decorators.py from decorator to check if the user is user type voter from. Okay, what is that? Okay, nice. What is this? Okay, user passes text test. Decorator for views that checks that the user passes the given test, redirected to the login page if necessary. The test should be callable that takes the user object and returns true if the user passes. Wow, nice. Actual decorator lambda u dot is active, user need to be active, and user type needs to be voter. Login URL will be login. Okay, if function then actual decorator. Okay, now we will do same for the candidates. Candidates can also register for the election. Yeah, now we will, and we need one admin page. Admin required. Okay, user type we don't have admin, instead user dot is super user. Yeah, it is super user, right? Is staff, is staff, we only have, I think here we have something. Is active, where is it? Is super user, no, okay, I thought we could, okay, no problem. No problem, I think this will work just fine. Now from here, from dot decorators, we can import photo required, candidate required, and admin required. Okay, we are good. Election voter register, this is login required, and this will be voter required. Vote needs also voter required. Okay, okay. Is allowed to vote. Okay, is allowed to vote. Let's go back to elections page. Now we will have two button. Oh sorry, we need to put register the URLs. Register results, no, not yet. Election voter register, this will be the post. API if requested post. Register, yeah, it's good. And same for the vote, it needs to be post method. What is this? Yeah, yeah, let's go back to elections. If this is, then percentage of election dot is, what was it, is voted. Mm, Django template check is not. If variable true and if variable is not equals to.
Have you watched Hanuman movie?
Hmm? Which?
Hanuman.
Yeah, I have watched it in theater last Sunday, I think. Yeah. Did you?
No.
It's
I
cool.
was
You can watch it. Okay. I think this will work too. Yeah, I will just use not. So if okay, let me copy this one. If election dot is voted, then I will render this one uh, voted, making it disabled. I can put it here. Else, if election dot is no, we need to do it from base case. So let's remove it this. If election dot is not voted, if not voted, if it is, if the user has not voted and is what is AND operator? Django template and condition. Okay. Or yeah, I think AND or will work. And election dot is allowed, what was it, is allowed to vote. Yeah, if it is not voted and election that is allowed to vote, then we will show the vote button. Now else if percentage what is it, Django template else if elif, okay, elif not election that is voted and not election that is allowed to vote. Yeah, we will show the register button. Register. And if no, I need this one. elif election dot is voted, then voted elif. I think I will remove this one. For this we need a form action election ID, button register. Yeah, I'll just remove it. Election vote, not election vote, election voter register, election voter register, we need election ID. Okay, let me just quickly check if everything is going alright or not. See, we see the register. If we register, then only we will see the vote button. And for the vote button, yeah, I think I will just copy this code here, and in the election vote, so insert the vote, I replace it with this, and instead of election voter register, I will add the election vote URL, and the name will be vote. I think instead of vote, I think click go to vote page. Okay, let me see. So in the admin panel, if election, I'll check the election voter, and this is the candidate number 1. Okay, but candidate 1 is already registered. No, sorry. Oh sorry, yeah, I am a candidate. So if the user is candidate, then user should not see this button. Percentage if user type is equals to voter, what is this? Let me ask, yeah, okay, and for and if I don't need this. Yeah, see, if the user is a candidate, then that candidate should not see the vote button. I am logging out now. I will log in with Anis, which in this case is already registered in this election and has already voted. See, so now I will create another election, and also if a user has already voted to one candidate, it cannot vote another candidate. So let me create Nepal PM election. Please give your vote today, now, ended 26th. Save, Okay, refresh. See, so we have got a register button. Why is this? Okay, let me wrap it in div. Not working. Okay, so if I register, then I can vote. No candidates has participated in this election yet. See, so user has registered for that election, but there is no candidate. If I go back to election, then see, you see the button go to vote. Now if you go to vote, then there are no candidates. We need to add candidates in that election. So for that we go to election candidates and create a election candidate. We will select the second election that we recently created, and for the candidate part we can reuse the same candidate or the different candidate. Let me select the same candidate and save it. And now let me add one more candidate for the second election, and candidate number 2. Save. Now let me refresh this page. See, we have got now 2 candidates. We can vote to either one of them. This is great stuff. Now I'm not sure if vote will work or not. Let me check. Election vote form div. Okay, let me check one thing. Election.name. This is something. This is div. What is this then? Okay, this is for this one. I don't think I need this one. This. I don't have a good formatter, but yeah. Let me vote for candidate number 2. Okay, let me see. What are we doing with insert the views? Election vote. Sorry, this is not. This is. Oh no, no, no. I think I have put the wrong. Yeah, it should be only vote. I think election ID and candidate ID. Election ID and candidate.candidate.id. Yeah. Yeah. And in the URLs, yeah, we have got candidate ID, and this will be vote. This will be vote. Views.vote, right? And inside the election vote, I'll change this to vote. Yeah. Now we are good to go. Cancel and go back. Go to vote and vote to which one? Let me see what happens when vote is success. What did I do just now? Yeah, inside the views in vote, create a vote and go back to election vote. No, go back to elections. Elections. No. Yeah. Elections. Elections and I need to fetch all the elections. This is nice. Yeah. Nice. If I vote now, then it will go back to elections page. Vote. Okay, rewards for elections with argument is not found. Okay. Okay, so vote was successful. Oh, I think I don't need this value. My bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. Votes too. I recently voted. It shows voted. Let me demonstrate it again because earlier there were some issues. I will delete the latest vote that was casted by Anish to this candidate too. So I will delete this one for now so that I can again vote. See, go to vote and I will vote to same the candidate to vote and it will go back to election space. See, now you can see the voted option. This is great. Are you seeing, Anish?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. Nice.
So how is it? So your voting system is almost completed.
Yeah.
So for voter, what voter can do is register or log in. That voter will go to home page. They will see their profile and the stats. They can go to elections, select any elections, right, and register for it. After register, they will go to uh, uh, candidate selection page and that user will be able to cast vote. So now one thing I can do is if I go to election number 1 and go to vote page, see we are still seeing the vote option, but in the elections page we have already voted, so we need to add a check in the election vote page if election candidates, okay, check if the user is allowed to vote. Okay, if not election voter exists, then it will go back to election space. Check if the user has already voted. If vote already exists, then it will go back to election space. So if I go back to this page and refresh, so it crashed a bit. Election candidates, if, what is if? I'll just restart. Yeah, So see, if you go to election number 1 or 2 and go to vote, then it will come back to election space because it has already voted. Now if I create a new election, Nepal king king bring back poll.
Wait. Don't add that. Nepal can bring back poll.
You have to bring back the king.
Okay.
We can add a poll system. This is not for just election. We can add any poll, like for petition or for
Okay.
any kind of poll.
I got that.
Yeah. mm, okay, description. Vote, cast your vote. I started today, ended 25 now, and save. This is it. Now let me refresh. See, we have got register button. I will register for this. See, no candidates. If I refresh this page, it will work, but if I go to election number 1, it won't work because I have already voted. Yeah, so this is the feature. And one thing also I need to show you guys. Let me create another election that has already passed or happened, expired. So already passed election, this election is expired. Start date not today but 10th, and end date will be, so today is 20th Jan, so 19th Jan. Okay, so this is already expired. It should not appear in this active selections list. So if I refresh, it is still showing, right? So we need to add a check here. So in this that annotate, I need to add a filter started time zone dot now and ended. It is something. Let me refresh this page. Okay, time zone is not defined. Okay, we need to import time zone. Wow, see, it went back. So here I will explain you the code that the AI just wrote. So start date is less than or equal to, this full form is less than or equal to time zone dot now. So the start date must be in past. Understood? So start date cannot be in future. If start date is in future, then that means the election hasn't started yet, so we should not list it there, right? Now for the end date, if end date is greater than or equal to time zone dot now, so this time zone dot now is, it means current date. So if end date is greater than, greater than means in future of current zone. So if it is in future, then only we should show it. So end date is in future means election is still active. So that is the thing. In same way, in election vote, we need to check if election exists and active by dates. See, let me refresh this page and comment it down. So I think it was the fourth elections, I guess. Slash vote. It came back. Okay. Okay, let me just remove it from here for now. So I will register for that and refresh it. Yeah, this is working. I will just do once back, go to elections, refresh. Here it is not showing the expired elections, but if we go back in the election for it is still working. So in this case, if it is not active, then we need to go back to, I think we can show title here, right? So I'm not sure which election to select candidate for to vote. So I think we can add a title here, election vote, and select candidates to vote. I will copy and paste it here. Make this as 2 Excel maybe, and here I think name we can add it. This is not a good UI, but we can improve it later. So no candidates has participated in this election yet. Now if I add that logic earlier, so if it is not active, then we go back to election space. See, we are going back to election space. We go back, it is not working. Slash vote, not working. So you have got validations as well. What else? Now for the candidates part, election voter register. Now candidates, election candidate register, election candidate register. Election candidate dot object dot create candidate this. Okay. Yeah. Now in the election, if the user is voter, and if okay. What is this? Register as candidate. I need to add now these two variables. Where? Here. Is candidate allowed to candidate. Is allowed to candidate. What is this? I don't think we need this one. Yeah, I don't think we need this. If not election dot is candidate, then only, yeah. Percentage else registered as candidate, percentage, and if election candidate register. Now I need to add it in URLs. Election vote register candidate. Okay. Now let me refresh this page. Nothing changes because this user is a voter. Now I log out and log in as candidate. Sign in, go to elections, and see, we have got registered as candidate and already registered as candidate. If we click register as candidate, let me open Nepal King bring back poll. Okay, let me log out here and log in as voter. Nice. Sign in. So this is a voter. I go to election, go to vote, no participations from candidates, and here as a candidate I will register. Okay, I've got error. Rewards for election with keyword arguments not found. Okay, so elections start. Voter candidate register. Yeah, I don't need this one. Sometimes AI is not good, does not give you accurate results. Let me what's it? Yeah, register as candidate. Nothing happened. Okay, register as candidate. Did I add form? Yeah, I did not add a form. This is a form. Oh my god. My bad. Yeah, this is good now. Registered as candidate, and if we now refresh, go to this page, we saw the candidate because the candidate registered. So for voter it's done, for candidates it's done. Now in elections, active elections, okay, registered as candidate, nice. So Anish, do you have anything to say?
No, it's good. It's more than expectation.
in how much time? uh, 2 hours, in less than 2 hours, because we
I
did
was
something.
thinking of this for 2006 but you did in this because
Six
of this.
days Oh,
I
see,
have to
we
do
have got 14 views.
yeah
Nice.
to more on this 46
Okay. It's okay.
I have to think what we can add in
So
46 that will make it
yes,
really
so you were estimating around 6 days to complete this system, right?
yeah.
And you have got the features right in 2 hours, less than 2 hours, almost all the features. There are some few features like in the
In my team
can.
there
Yeah.
in my team there are not good content developers, so it was taking time.
Mhm.
Really good.
Yeah. I think candidate should not be able to see who voted in their elections, right?
Yeah.
It is anonymous.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we should not show the list of voters who voted, but only the number we can show.
Mhm.
Yeah, so we have total elections 4. Let me see, we have 3 but one is expired, obviously. That's why it is 4. Total votes 2. I'm not sure if total votes 2 is accurate. Let me see. Elections voted, yeah, we have got to vote. And in the admin panel, uh, let me log out.
I think we have to make admin page.
We already have one admin page, right? Super admin.
For admin that is only allowed to for developers. No? Yes,
Localhost 8000 slash admin admin@gmail.com. Password not now. Votes, we have got only 2 votes. Go to vote, and if I vote, then it's voted. Total votes 3. Total candidates 4. This candidate is 4 because because we have got 4 elections. I'm not sure. Wait, what is the logic here? See. Okay, so candidates. Um, yeah, total candidates. Election candidate or objects dot count. Okay. Election candidate. Okay. Yeah, I think that is 4 only. Election candidates. Yeah. So this is. Okay. I think we have got pretty good system.
I have shared the code for that election that icon art. Can remove that
Yeah, you have sent me code where.
in our Discord.
Hmm?
That is not code, that is icon in Discord. You can check it out.
Okay, so in Discord you have sent me IDFA. Okay.
For election.
For election. So in dashboard we have FA elections, FA solid, FA registered. This right?
Only on this.
This one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So let me do it for all the pages.
And one thing more, we have to do that. Show me that page. Dashboard.
Just a second, let me update this icon everywhere.
We have to Google the sidebar.
Yeah, what?
We have to toggle the sidebar.
This?
Yeah. I think we have to use JavaScript for this or what?
Okay. I think if we don't do this, then it is also good because it will be so much empty space. I think I should just remove this button.
Yeah,
So
can do
because
that.
if this part is gone, then it will be white space from here to there like that.
We can we put background image,
Yeah,
right of
yeah.
white background.
In here we
Yeah.
can put some background image, but no, image won't be good.
What would be good?
I think what I can do is let me see. So for the dashboard page, let me add some border and mm, so let me see. This is right, and this is the container. Okay, so I will wrap it in a div. Oops. Okay, border rounded. Wow, I'm not sure what is this. Right, flex call. I don't do this. Mm, now this part is empty. Mm, Why this?
We have to change over. Hold on.
Okay, let me just put it here. Remove the div. Not do that. There is some small px6 pi4 net. No. Yeah, this is good, but I need text excel. Okay, I can decrease this. Padding my yeah, better.
Yeah,
Or
it's better.
maybe huh?
It is better.
Yeah. This also okay. Let me see. Color this. Okay. Better. This is better.
Ah, it's now they were everything. Result.
Yeah, result page is um,
We can work it on it later.
yeah, so here what we can do is normally it should be automated, like whenever the election is ended, like ended is passed, it should automatically, like in the Django, it should automatically run code that will create a result data of how many votes were there for which election, right? So that should be automated, but if you work on automation, that then it will go beyond the scope of your project. It will increase the difficulties, and your supervisor or teacher will ask a lot of questions regarding that automation. So better for now, what you can do is in result page you will just show the list of elections, and you have one button end election in red color. Okay, so in end election, when you click it, the election will be expired, and election will be expired, and in the result page uh, the data will be available, like uh, election name, description, and total votes, total candidates, and you can also view the candidates and the total votes you will get there. So that is the result. Right, and you can also show a graph, like previously you have shown, you have seen in the code pen or somewhere, where you can see like in this date graph of like votes in a specific day, like in one day there were 15 votes, in another day there were only 4 votes, so it will be like line graph. I'll show you one example. See, so for example, in day 1 there were 250 votes, in day 2 there were somewhere around 500, close to 500, in day 3 below, right? So you can see this kind of graph as well. Understood?
Yeah.
But yeah, you can work it like this feature later. For that you need to do something in the vote. Yeah, so see, when a vote was casted, when it was created, that is the day. So it will be day 1 or day 2 or day 3, whatever created at. It is just a timestamp at which the vote was given or casted. So we have got dates here, created at and updated at. Same for, and also we have one election admin. This election admin is different, like it can, the election admin should only be able to end election, right? So election admin can do that and calculate the result. So we can or we may not work on this feature. I think we should work on this feature to have that button. So what I was saying is, in result page the calculate or end election button will only be visible to election admin, and if the user is a candidate or voter, that button won't be available, like for ending the election. Voter and candidate should not be able to close the election or end, right? Got it?
Yeah.
How many views now? 15 views. Okay, increased by 1. Okay, what now?
No, no, we can take a break, I think. No, first push to GitHub. No?
Oh, you want code? Okay, so I will add this. I'll automatically generate the message, commit, and when you pull, please delete or roll back the SQLite. Okay, you will have some data in the database. uh, so you can delete that or use mine, because I have created election, uh, that's why. But you can do as well. So should I post my database or you will use your own database?
You can push.
You want to use my database?
Okay.
Okay, so you will revert back your changes that you have done in your database. So see, in the commits you have pushed you underscore. In the GitHub you can see it. What is this? Time log activity. Oh, this is the 2 years ago.
This is my time sheet.
Oh, this code, I think I have written it. Right? I'm not sure. It is yours. Okay, line voting system. Yeah, 1 minute ago you can use it now. All good. I'll close this unwanted. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, so sort of left. Hello, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Him.
Nothing. Okay. What should I do now?
Dashboard. We have made different kind of dashboard, no?
Sorry? What? Are you having any difficulties? You can share your screen. I can help.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I was telling about the home page.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me that home page? So I can explain better.
You can share your screen. I can't understand.
Just show me that location, no? 800.
Your voice is kind of low.
Hello, hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
So I was telling that. Can you show me that your home screen? Once. Oh, dashboard. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. Okay, okay. Now, what will it you will do if you click in both? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
I have logged in as candidate. So
Candidate.
for candidate, this button should not be there.
There is your here or not?
Or we can do something like if this is a voter, then only we can show this voter. Then and if see the button is gone now. I'll push this code. Done. You can pull. All right. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we have done pretty much in this project. Let's do something else. Yeah, I have to. So on Monday, I think. Your Monday is your first day, right? So let's talk about. We have to make a landing page for the company. So Dribble.com is a site where we can find some designs, examples, templates, ideas for our own landing page. See, and one more. So if you see this, this has also this got a good design as well, poland.com.au. So we can take reference from here as well. Mm, I think this is too much of a UI work, and it's good, but I don't like this kind of design. This is too much of UI. What is this? Transfer your enterprise.
Now we can end the stream, I think.
Yeah.
We will try on the stream.
Okay. Okay then. I will end this stream. Okay, bye bye. We'll see you next time. Oh no, you wait here.